Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of November 4th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Saturday, November 5th is an open house for students who are interested in learning more about PBMA. The open house will be at 10 o'clock a.m. at the elementary campus and 11 o'clock a.m. at our secondary campus. Please tell any friends who might be interested in learning more about PBMA. On Monday, November 7th, we will have a safety patrol fundraiser at Chuck E. Cheese in Boynton Beach, 3 o'clock p.m. until 9 o'clock p.m. Also on November 7th at 5:30 p.m., we will have Donuts with Dudes to support our aftercare program. Tuesday, November 8th is a teacher workday, no school for students. November 14th through November 18th is Spirit Week at our secondary campus. On Monday, dress in orange or in brown. Tuesday is Overalls and Flannel Day. Wednesday is Anything But a Backpack Day. Thursday, dress as a grandparent. And Friday is Twin Day. Picture Day for students in grades kindergarten through second grade and middle school is November 15th. Grades 3 to 5 in high school will be on November 16th. Please have your student wear uniforms for these pictures. Thursday, November 17th will be an elementary parent training on how to understand your child's report card and progress monitoring. This will be at 5 o'clock p.m. and it is an in-person training. Thanksgiving break is November 21st through November 25th. This year, we will have 2 weeks of our holiday shop at the elementary campus with 2 different vendors. The dates of the shop are December 5th through December 16th. I will need lots of parent volunteers to help. Please let me know if you're able to help make the holiday shop a great success. December 13th is the chocolate fountain party for students who have sold 8 or more items in the catalog fundraiser. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith, the elementary school principal. We are wrapping up our first trimester here at the elementary campus. The last day is Monday, November 7th. Tuesday, November 8th, teachers will be completing your child's report card. Report cards will be sent home the following week, and we will be having a parent training on November 17th at 5 o'clock to help you guys interpret your child's report card and give you some tips to ensure academic success and help with homework at home. Hope to see you there.
And here is Miss Fisher with information about the Safety Patrol's Chuck E. Cheese fundraiser.
Hey guys, it's Miss Fisher here, and I just wanted to give a shout out to our safety patrols. We are actually having another fundraiser at Chuck E. Cheese next Monday night on November 7th. And the next day is no school, so Chuck E. Cheese, we're going to be there from 3 o'clock till 9 o'clock trying to raise some money to send our safety patrols to St. Augustine, and we appreciate all your support. So we'll see you guys at Chuck E., and we can't wait to play some games. See you there.
The Hike-In Vision Bus visited both of our campuses. The bus will return with free glasses for the students who need them. This week in secondary art, we learned how to create the illusion of leaves with a curling tip, both northern leaves and our beautiful tropical leaves. Shadow, shading, and specifically drawn lines create the illusion of a turning leaf. We want to hang them up around our school to enjoy, but the original plan was to have them as a beautiful decorative addition to take home for our Thanksgiving dinner. 7 colleges visited our secondary campus for our very first college fair. The colleges were very impressed with all of the questions our students asked the college representatives.
Hi guys, it's Andrew Hunt here. I'm on the secondary campus for this year's college fair. I have with me one of our seniors, right?
Austin Wong.
Austin, what did you think about this year's college fair?
Honestly, I thought it was pretty helpful. Saw a lot of opportunities here.
Very good. Did you make a decision about college yet?
Yes.
And was your college represented here?
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing. I think we had about 7 different colleges represented. I'll see you in a minute with another student. Right, I'm back with another student. Who do we have here?
Brian Velasquez.
Brian Velasquez. What did you think about this year's college fair?
It was nice, informative, and showed me a lot of what I would need to know.
Very good. Did you make a decision about college yet?
Not yet.
All right. Well, this is a good start, right?
Yes, indeed.
All right. Thank you, guys. See you next time. All right, guys. Now I have Ms. Thomas here with me. She was the person that organized this college fair, so I'm going to ask her her thoughts on this first college fair this school year. Ms. Thomas.
Hi, my PBMA friends. It's Miss Thomas, your high school counselor. I had a very, very nice turnout. I had a lot of colleges come today. We had University of Miami, FAU came out, Palm Beach State. We had FLOMO, that's Florida Memorial. All the students seem to really, really like it. We got some enthusiastic future college goers. Thank you so much, students, for all your good questions. The representative said you guys asked great questions, and they're going to help you start your applications if you need scholarships. Dual enrollment too. We had dual enrollment as well from Palm Beach State College. So thank you guys so much for a wonderful turnout.
Thank you again, Ms. Thomas, for organizing this, and we'll see you next time.
We will have an additional fair in the spring. Here are the stars of the week that demonstrated creativity. Our Sharks of the Month celebrated their achievements by having popcorn with the principal and Sharky. Finally, here is our kindergarten and first grade storybook character parade. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.